Carrie Underwood, right? You know, the country singer that won American Idol? Yeah, that one. You know, when she's on stage, she has some sort of glitter on her eyes, either golds or blues or whatsoever. It is absolute glittery deliciousness going on in her eyes, like every single time that she's on stage. I ain't hating, that's the girl after my own heart, because I'll probably be doing the same thing. But she does it every single time. If you want to know how to accomplish that nice glittery Carrie Underwood type of look, then keep watching. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you? Thank you so much for coming and pushing the play button. I really appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. And if you're new to my channel, thank you. I really love it that you're here. You are incredible. Now, today we'll be doing the recreation of that glittery, classy Carrie Underwood on stage makeup look. I know, long name, but you get my drift. She always has glitter in her eyes when she's performing, and it's just so I'm gonna show you how to recreate it. This makeup you'll see in just a second, but first and foremost, let me introduce myself in case you are new. My name is Enid and I'm known as Enidbluesinger. Reason being, Enid, hence, is my first name. Blue, one, it is my favorite color, and two, I'm a blues and jazz singer. I am working on my album. 4 songs will be releasing soon. It's just they're still mixing and marketing is still doing something, so it's taking a while. And just to answer your questions, yes, I will have a personal website and even merchandise and iTunes and all that. And I do plan to have like a live meeting, answer question situation. So yes, so I'm known as Enidbluesinger. And also just a quick reminder in case you're curious of what I do, because I do love makeup, hence why I have a makeup channel and music. Follow me on all of my social medias at Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, and Facebook, with the all have the exact same handle at Enidbluesinger, as well as my IMDb page, Enid Lopez. And if you're curious what IMDb is, it's mostly for actors. I admit I really haven't been acting in a while, but you can at least see my past work. So, you know. And also, one interesting little fact. You like my Mickey shirt? Got it cold. Love Mickey. I know. Shh, shh, shh. Stop. I talk too much. I need to stop. So, if you're ready to start recreating this beautiful, natural, with a lot of glitter from Carrie Underwood, then keep. Oh, and one itty bitty disclaimer. I do recreate these celebrity makeup looks. Today it will be Carrie Underwood. But I want to let you know this. I do not know Carrie Underwood. I do not know the makeup artist that does her makeup. I don't know the products that was used in the looks. I don't. I just go into my collection, see what I can get that's close to the colors that she has, and create the looks and just show you the little skills of how to get it done. So I don't want comments below saying, oh, you know, you don't know the art. I don't know anybody. I ain't gonna lie, I don't. I'm still trying to get there. So just my little disclaimer. I don't know the exact product that she used, and I do not know Carrie Underwood. Just thought I should throw it out there. Well, welcome back. I know this is an unusual sight. I know. Well, I look like a very, very pale, white, bearded lady. Now, in case you guys are not familiar with the technique, I'm doing this for 2 reasons. One, yes, I am baking, which basically, think of your skin kind of like an oven. It heats everything up, you're basically cooking, and it smooths everything out. That's one reason for baking. I can do a tutorial on baking if you like, just comment below. I'm also using this right now because if you have been in my channel, I do eyes first. But today, I did the base, so I went ahead and put in some powder to protect myself from fallout because, yeah, there may be some fallout today. So, just wanted to let you know. So, today we're going to be doing the Carrie Underwood. Now, you saw that picture, right? Now, for Carrie Underwood, I will be doing this picture. As you can tell, it's mostly eyes. Thank goodness her eyes are closed. And like the last couple of videos, in case you haven't seen it yet, I did the Jodie Sweetin, Demi Lovato, and Sandra Bullock. I'll link all those videos down in the description below out of all of my recreations, just in case you haven't seen it. And since right now this is blank, I can't say anything, I'll be seeing everything through my phone. And believe me, this girl is blown up. So I do have my little mirror, and of course, the one and only, it's morning and coffee, and it's Texas, and it's dark and gloomy. It rained last night. So far it's not raining, and Supposedly, according to the forecast, it won't rain, but you never know. What you love when that first cup of coffee hits your soul. Ooh. Alright, so I already have my primer, foundation, powders. Obviously, my brows done. Everything is completely done. The only thing I have left really is the eyes, which is what we're going to be concentrating at the most today. I see right on the crease and on the lid, actually, where that goldish brownish going on is on top of the first shade color, and it kind of fades out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be using the TooFAce Cocoa Contour Chisel to Perfection palette. I'm gonna be using this color right here that says Dark Cocoa. Put my little, and this is the Alamar brush, but it doesn't have a number or any other name, but it's kind of more like the Sigma E40 that I use. And I'm gonna put this all over the crease, and I'm gonna pull you in just a little bit closer. All right, so we're gonna be doing this on the crease. And then you're gonna put this all over the lid as well, because we're gonna put that goldish color on top. And you're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. All right, and we did step one, done. And that's all we're gonna use this palette for, is just for the crease and on the lid color, because the next palette doesn't really have a true matte or transition color, so which is why we went for that. If you don't have this in your collection, it's okay. Just want to let you know it is okay. Promise. Just use any light brown color that you have that's maybe one shade darker than your natural skin. Just so you know. Now I'm looking at her eyes, and she has that nice gold deliciousness going on. And today we're going to be using the Mcgrath palette. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh. And this has actually 6 shadows. I love this palette. I love the colors. I love the blendability. I love the formula. The only thing I do not like about this is that the names are not written anywhere, and it's like on a paper. Yeah, I don't like that either. So I'm always like, did I put it in the right way? We'll find out, I guess. And the only true light color there is this brown in here, but for the look we're going for, that may be a little bit too dark, and it doesn't have a dark outlook going on, which is why I was using the Cocoa Contour, just so you know. Okay, and for the lid, I'm actually going to be mixing, and I'm going to be using this is from Urban Decay, isn't it? Yep, the Urban Decay brush. This came in a Naked 3. Any flat brush will work, even if you have like a MAC 242, that works too. Just something nice and flat. We're going to be using these 2 colors over here actually, and the colors for those are Gilt Trip and Bronze Struck. So I'm going to dip my brush in here, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. About you, but I don't like what the brush is doing. It doesn't give it justice. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use my finger. I'm going to put one finger here, and see if that helps. I still want it to have a little bit more spark. So I'm actually going to be using this color right here, which I believe it's called Gold Rush. I'm going to use my 3rd finger here and put it on top of this. Better. With this color, because I'm looking at her picture, put a little bit of it in the crease, just a little bit. And then I'm going to go back to the TooFAce Contour Kit. I'm going to go back and use the Dark Cocoa again. And I'm going to put it all over the crease again, just so I can blend everything out. You see how nice and beautiful that's starting to look? Then if you look at her eye look right in the middle, it seems like there's an additional color, kind of like a shifting, like gold whitish going on. And the closest thing that I was able to find is me going back into the Fenty, open it, and I was going to use that color, the middle color that's called Stone Cold, right in the middle. Now you see how that kind of gave it a little extra color there? What you're going to do is use a clean finger, blend everything in. Use patting motions. See how it gave it its own additional shine? I can add a little more. Go back into, I would recommend to always go back to the Pat Mcgrath. Go back to this gold color. Get a clean finger and just put it right on the outer sides, because after all the blending and patting, it does tend to disappear. We still want that color to be seen. We're gonna put a very, very light, and I do mean light, highlight on our brow bone. And for the brow bone, we're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy. We're gonna do this dry, not wet. And if you haven't seen my video, my review, how it's applied the different ways, wet, dry, whatsoever, I'll link this video down in the description below, just in case you haven't seen it. And so I'm gonna use the same brush, but I'm gonna use the opposite end. Use the dry section and just put it all in the brow bone. And remember to put it like really close to the inner corner, because it really opens up your eyes. Just so you know, like hers is down, but it's nice and happy, and yes. See, nice, light, and bright. Then we're gonna curl our lashes. I'll be using the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. And then I'm gonna proceed to taking this lovely white bearded powder off my face, because it looks, yeah. Now you see how nice and beautiful that baking left, and it also protected my eyes from any fallout that may have occurred, so yes. Now unfortunately, Carrie Underwood, even though I love the fact that her eyes are closed, I can't really see completely underneath here if she has shadow, but I'm assuming so, because I think she may have a little bit underneath. So we're gonna apply, go back to the Pat Mcgrath, and I'm actually gonna go and mix this color, and this color, and put it all underneath the lash line. Oh, by the way, I'm using a Luxie 141 mini round brush. Okay, the under eyes for the eyeshadows are done. In case you're wondering, I did put highlight before I did the eyes, and it was with the same Anastasia, except I did wet it, just so you know. Now, her picture, she has very strong, bold lashes. So give me a second, I'm gonna step away, put those lovely bold lashes that I do own, come back, and we'll take care of the lips. So I'll see you in just a second. And I'm back. Now, as you can tell, I do have lashes on. I did put the Velor lashes in the style Strike a Pose. Now, the thing that I didn't do is, I don't see it in the picture because her eyes are like this, but I'm gonna coat my bottom lashes because they look very hidden. So let's just go ahead and do that. Now it looks like I actually have lashes. And I didn't do this a minute ago either, my apologies. So I'm gonna go back to the Urban Decay little brush thing that I used, and I'm gonna go into the highlighter and put it right in the inner corners. What's wrong with me lately? Lately I've just been forgetting to put color, like highlight in my inner corners. I don't know what's wrong. Okay, now back to business, onto lips. Now it's like a natural baby light pink. A good way to explain something, right? Yeah. So I'm going to be using this lip gloss. It's from Lorac. It's from the Beauty and the Beast collection in the shade Savoir Faire. And I'm going to put it all over the lips. And then mirror away. Last but not least, we're going to set our face with the Wonder Beauty Glow Getter Mist. And that, my dears, is the Carrie Underwood Recreation Makeup Look. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you are new and you made it to the end of my video, yay! You are awesome. I'm just saying, you are awesome. If you like makeup tutorials like this, getting celebrities, or if this is a celebrity you would like me to recreate, please comment down below and I'd be more than happy to do those videos for you. That is not a problem. I love recreating makeup looks and trying to see and tricks, because that's how I learned how to put makeup on in the first place. Why am I lying? I did. But thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And just in case you haven't, because I understand, please consider subscribing. And remember, be safe, be kind, be careful. I miss you. I love you. And once again, have a wonderful day, night, or weekend. I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.